Hello, hi JVNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. Topic is MCU. Micturating erythrography. Erythrography means erythrography refers to the radiographic study of urethra using iodinated media and is generally carried out in males. When the posterior urethra is steady, maturation, this has been referred to as micturating erythrography. Anatomy of urinary bladder. Muscular organ located within the pelvic cavity, posterior to the symphysis pubis and inferior to the parietal peritoneum. Shape is that of the flatnet when empty and round oval when distant with fluid. The size of the bladder vary when fill the upper border of the bladder should not rise above the level of the lumbosacral junction in the child and second or third sacral segment in the adult. Normal bladder wall is thickness is 2-3 mm in fully distant bladder. Bladder wall consists of mucosa, submucosa, lamina propria and smooth muscles. The mucosa consists of multi-layer transitional epithelium. Bladder capacity is between 500 to 600 ml. The maximum capacity of bladder is up to 1200 ml. 1200 ml. Anatomy of urethra. In female, length of 3 to 4 cm and in male 20 cm in length. It has 4 name regions. Prostatic urethra is approximately 3 cm in length, passes through the prostate gland. MCU Micturating cystourethropy. Cystourethropy is a fluoroscopic study of the lower urinary tract in which contrast is introduced into the bladder via a catheter. into the bladder via a catheter. The purpose of the examination is to assess the bladder urethra, post-operative anatomy and maturation in order to determine the presence or absence of bladder and urethral abnormality, and including vesicourethral reflex (VUR). Indications: Mituretic cystourethropy indications. Age for recurrent urinary tract infection, dysuria, and dysfunctional voiding, hydronephrosis, bladder outlet obstruction, hematuria, and post-operative evaluation of the urinary tract, trauma, incontinence, neurogenic dysfunction of the bladder, and congenital anomaly of the genitourinary tract. Contraindication: acute urinary tract infection, hypersensitivity to contrast medium, and pregnancy. Again, acute urinary tract infection, hypersensitivity to contrast medium, and third, pregnancy. Technique: explain the procedure to the patient. Take written informed consent. Empty the bladder prior to the procedure. Sedation may be given to the children. Patient lie supine on the X-ray table. Plain film of bladder region is taken. Again, take written informed consent. Empty the bladder prior to the procedure, and sedation may be given to the children, and patient lies supine on the X-ray table, and plain film of bladder region is taken. The bladder is filled with contrast using an infant feeding tube. The bladder is filled with contrast using an infant feeding tube. Under aseptic precautions, a Foley catheter can be used for older children. Intermittent screening of the patient on fluoroscopy while distending the bladder with contrast is necessary to check for a erythrochole or VUR. After the bladder is filled to its capacity, the patient is now asked is to void. Bladder is filled until the patient is seen to start voiding or there is an uncomfortable urge to micturate. Spot radiographs to full bladder are taken in PA and oblique projection. After wide drawing catheter, patient is asked to micturate. Micturating film is taken. Female epilateral, male right atrial oblique and left atrial oblique with right hip and knee flex. Entire urethra and lower urethra. Finally, a post-void film is taken. To record phosphoid residual contrast in bladder. Phosphoid film should include all KUB region to demonstrate any reflex of contrast medium that might have occurred unnoticed into the kidney. Cause of incomplete bladder impeding effect of sedation, dysuria following catheterization, neurogenic bladder. Complication due to technique, urinary tract infection, urethral or bladder trauma, rupture of bladder from over distension. Due to technique, complication, urinary tract infection, urethral bladder trauma, and rupture of bladder. Complication due to contrast medium. Adverse reaction due to absorbed contrast medium. And contrast induced cystitis. Specific disease of the urinary bladder: congenital bladder agenesis, bladder hypoplasia, bladder duplication, congenital diverticulum of bladder, urachal sinus, urachal cyst, urachal diverticulum, and bladder extrophy. Acquired disease: acquired bladder diverticulum, bladder caniculi, cystitis, bladder fistula, bladder injury. These complete procedures are micturating cystoerythrography (MCU). This perform is a special radiography procedure and used to contrast medium. Thank you.